Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my weekly TJ Maxx and Marshalls shopping video where we go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls and see what they have for new beauty products for the week. So lately, the past month or so has been a little bit slow at the stores. They haven't been getting as much stuff in, at least new stuff. They've been having a lot of restocks on different products, which I kind of went through in this video. But I have noticed a lot of new skincare items, not as much new makeup. So I have a lot of really cool skincare finds in this vlog. And then hopefully next week and the upcoming weeks, we'll start to see some new makeup items trickle in. I don't know if my store is just being super slow this week or what, because I know some people have been finding some stuff here and there, but we still found some pretty exciting products, I would say, this week. Some really cool brands. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I found this week, go ahead and keep on watching. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just walked into my TJ Maxx and it looks like they completely expanded their makeup section. So there's literally such a longer aisle now. This is amazing. I saw that they were remodeling, but now it looks like maybe they'll start getting more makeup at this store. Cause yeah, it looks so nice. I'm so excited. Hopefully we can find some good stuff this week. So first thing I found is the new NARS Duo Eyeshadow. This one's in the shade Madrog, I believe. They also have Kawaii, which I think I've shown this before on my channel. So this one is $12.99 for each of these duo eyeshadows. So I wanted to look at Madrog to see if it was something I wanted to purchase, and it is more like a matte kind of color selection, so it has the matte cream and then a matte brown, so I think I'll probably pass on that one. Found another NARS Duo eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Serbia. This one is really pretty. It has like a bronze and then a more kind of like red bronze. So gorgeous. I found yet another NARS Duo eyeshadow. This one is in the shade Silk Road. We've been finding a lot of these today. Also wanted to show you guys how many Pixie palettes they have. They have tons of the Eye Reflection one that we saw at Marshalls last week for $8.99 here, and a ton of the Whaley one too. We have two of these little guys from Urban Decay, a new eyeshadow here, single. I haven't seen some new shades in a while. This one is in the shade Gash, and it looks like it is a beautiful shimmery kind of burnt red. Really pretty. These are going for $6.99 a piece. They sell a bunch of Laura Mercier eyelash curlers, the little one like this, which is going for $9.99. Let me know down below, are you like a tried and true eyelash curler person? I know I never use them when I do my lashes, but I know some people are like, they can't do their lashes without curling them. We have a few of these Rimmel London eyeliners. This one is in the shade Purple Craze, going for $2.99. I did see that TJ Maxx has these Urban Decay Meltdown Makeup Remover Lip Oil Sticks. I saw these at Marshalls a few weeks ago, but wanted to let you know that TJ Maxx also has them now, basically to take off your liquid lipsticks and stuff like that. This is $7.99. They also have the Buxom Lightweight Liquid Lipstick Wildly Whipped in Devious Dolly, which we did see at Marshalls as well. These are $5.99. So I'm finding some really good skincare products. Again, this is from Peter Thomas Roth, the Rose Stem Cell Precious Cream. So like a nice hydrating cream from Peter Thomas Roth. I love anything that smells like rose. It's one of my favorite scents. And this one is going for $39.99. I've actually seen some people finding the mask, I think, and it's the Hello Kitty version, which I would love to find. I'm like a Hello Kitty obsessive person, but yeah, it's cool to see this. I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout for the mask too, because I've been seeing some people find it. I also found some more Dr. Jart stuff. This is the Ultimate Hydro Gel, and it's supposed to give a long-lasting moisture and brighten skin complexion. It sounds amazing. This one is only $16.99, which is a really good price for this. It is full size. Here's something else from Dr. Jart that I haven't seen yet. This is the Beauty Balm. It says BB Dissapore with SPF 30 in it. It's going for $14.99. I'm wondering if this is like a little primer. It might be a little bit tinted since it is a BB kind of balm with SPF, so probably a BB primer with SPF is my guess. I don't know. I never know what these products are. In the last one, I couldn't find it anywhere online, so I'm not sure what's up with that, but I did want to mention that. Okay, this is so cool. I saw this hiding in the back. This is actually Dr. Jart as well, and this is actually their Ceramidin liquid, which their Ceramidin cream is like really good stuff. So it doesn't even say Dr. Jart on here, except if you read the sides, like it's kind of hard to tell what it is. But this is going for $16.99. Here's something else from Dr. Jart. We've seen so many products from them this week and a few last week. This is the Micro Gel Cleanser, and it's supposed to remove waterproof makeup, which is awesome. It's a gel formula. It has moisturizing capsules in it, deep cleansing and eliminating impurities. That is awesome. So this is going for $14.99. It sounds like a really cool product. Also have this from Jart. We saw a cream from them last week. This is the Rosewater Balancing Mist, which seems like it would be super refreshing. It literally says refreshing on the packaging. It hydrates and softens the skin. This is going for $16.99. Looks new from Algenist. It's called their Alive Prebiotic Balancing Moisturizer. They always have different Algenist products, but I never really talk about them because I never know like what's new, what I have talked about and what I haven't. This one here is going for $19.99. They also have this really nice Murad set that comes with 4 different items plus a full size of their Essential C cleanser, and you get also a City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer Mini, an Advanced Active Radiance Serum Mini, and this looks like the Invisibler Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum SPF 30. This whole set is $24.99, but I feel like it might be a better deal to just get the cleanser by itself, because they do have this as well, and the vitamin C cleanser is only $7.99 here for a full size. So yeah, I would definitely get this instead. So we also saw the Knockout Breakout set last week, but they have this set as well. This is the Clear Skin All-Stars set, which has a lot of good products in here. It looks like you get full-size clarifying cleanser, the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment with salicylic acid, a mini skin perfecting lotion, and a mini clarifying mask. So a super nice set here, and this one is $19.99, which I think is a pretty good deal for that. I also have this from H2O Plus Beauty. This is their Elements Mighty But Gentle Toner. I only see one of these here. It says for normal to dry skin. I don't know about you guys, but I don't usually use toners very much. I know they're good. I did like a small skincare class when I was in cosmetology school, and they basically are supposed to kind of balance your skin and bring it to the correct pH, so then your moisturizer works more efficiently. This here is only $5.99, which is a pretty good price for H2O. Also, I've been passing this eyelash curler like all the time, never knowing, but it's actually Lily Lashes brand. This is called Bling on the Glam Embellished Eyelash Curler by Lily Lashes. So this is really fun. I love all the gems on this one. It's so cute. This is going for $7.99. My store has a couple new shades in the KEVYN Molten lip colors. So these are from the Molten Metals collection. We have the shades Rose Gold and Titanium, and these are going for $7.99. These are more like a gloss kind of formula, but they have a lot of pigment to them. So this is the Rose Gold, which is a true rose gold. It's super pretty. And this is the Titanium, which I thought was going to be more like kind of a steely color like a silver, but it's actually more of a bronze, which is also really gorgeous. And it looks like they are restocking this Neo Highlighter palette from KEVYN. This is the Sahara, which, if I'm correct, I believe this is the one that kind of has the blush and bronzer in one. Really good quality. You could use this for multiple different uses. And they are $17.99 here, which is pretty good because I think they usually retail for like $50. So I would definitely recommend. And I also noticed they have a new shade in the LORAC Alter Ego lipstick. I saw 2 of this one. It is only $2.99, which is such a good deal. I feel like they might have lowered the price on these. So this is in Optimist. It looks like it will be a really pretty pink shade. And these lipsticks are really good. They smell good. They have a really nice formula as well, so definitely worth the price. And then taking a peek inside their stocking cart this afternoon, they do have, it looks like they're restocking their Urban Decay powder highlighter in Sin, which is a beautiful just highlight that could work for many different skin tones. These are once again $9.99, and then they're also restocking the highlighting fluid in Sin as well. This one's more of a liquid highlighter, going for $5.99. Found this cute little Laura Geller set. It's called With Berries on Top Lip and Cheek Kit, and it looks like you get a lip gloss. This one is in the shade Strawberry Cream, a blush and Brighten in Berry Trifle, and then you also get a little brush in here. It's going for $6.99. Super cute. Found a new NARS Audacious lipstick shade. This one is really pretty. It's a very nice rosy pink tone in the shade Appeline. Very neutral. And these are going for $7.99 for the NARS Audacious lipsticks. So Pacifica has these really cool hair and body mists, I noticed. They look really pretty. So this one is the Rose Glow Shimmering Hair and Body Mist with Rose Geranium and Vanilla. So these look really fun, just to add a little fun shimmer for the summertime. These are going for $7.99. And then they have the coconut and vanilla one as well, which I think would be my favorite. I love coconut in the summer. Basically, my stores have a lot of the same stuff this week. We have a bunch of these LORAC Glow Your Own Way sets. This has the diamond lip gloss and the diamond highlight in it, which are $6.99. And then I keep seeing a million of these NARS bronzers. They're just everywhere. So many different shades. They have 4 different shades in this line, but seriously, all the stores have like a million of them. They are $16.99. And they have a ton of the Albatross highlighter as well, which is $9.99. I keep seeing the same things, not a whole lot of like new stuff, just some basically restocks that I've been seeing a lot of. And also a lot of the NARS Velvet Matte Foundation too. There's a couple sets from Perricone here at Marshall. So this is the Ultimate Hydration Starter Kit. It looks like it was originally $60 and at Marshall's it is going for $34.99, and you get a hydrating booster serum, a hydrating cloud cream, and then a depuffing eye gel in here. And they also had this Ultimate Antioxidant Detox set, which was originally $75. So it looks like you get a few packets of their Super Greens dietary supplement, the Photoplasma SPF 30. You get a firming eye cream, a oil-free hydrating cream, and then a vitamin C serum. So you get a ton of stuff in this little kit. Of course, some are travel sizes, and some look like they could be maybe full sizes too. And this set is also $34.99. Has even more of those L'Oreal masks. This is the charcoal one, and these are going for $5.99. I know the charcoal one is super popular. They also have the Purify and Mattify one as well. Alright, I'm going to show you guys everything that I picked up at TJ Maxx this week. I actually didn't pick up any makeup items, so I hope you guys will still enjoy this little haul of some random goodies that I found at the stores. And I know this week has been a little bit slower, but we still did find some pretty cool things, so hopefully the next weeks are going to be better. But if you guys do enjoy these videos, I do have a TJ Maxx playlist down below where you can check out my other videos, since I do upload these every single Sunday. And definitely subscribe if you are new here. So let me show you guys everything I got. So if you guys remember, a few weeks ago we found the Batiste dry shampoos. These are like the giant jumbo sizes, and I went back the next day after that vlog to see if they were still there, and they weren't. But I've noticed the store's restocking them this week, and these are a really good deal. So you get 13 ounces of dry shampoo. It's $8.99. It's a really good price. So I picked up 2 of them. I got the tropical scent, coconut and exotic is the description, and I got the floral and flirty blush scent. So I am like almost out of dry shampoo, so I really needed some, so I thought that was a good buy. And then I actually ended up getting a couple Rae Dunn items, which they make fun like pottery bowls with different sayings on them. And I do have a pretty good Rae Dunn collection. I've kind of stopped collecting now since I have a lot of the items, but I've noticed, especially this week and last week, the stores have been getting so much Rae Dunn stuff in. So if you guys are looking for that stuff, it's kind of fun if you have like a farmhouse kitchen theme. I like to kind of decorate with this stuff. It's really cool. I don't know if it's just getting less popular or they're just getting more stock in, but I saw a ton of it this week. But I just ended up picking up some pasta bowls. These are finally back. I know they took them away for a while because they like wanted to redo them, but these are honestly like the best bowls. They're so big, so they are honestly so perfect for pasta. So like when I make spaghetti and different like chicken alfredo, different dishes like that, these are amazing. So I picked up 4 of them. This one, it says eat, and it is $7.99 for these. And this one, it says yum. So I got eat and yum. I did see at the other store one of them said enjoy, so I might have to go back for that one, but I just got 2 sets of these. So I got 2 each, 2 of the yums and 2 of the eats. and I'm just so excited for these. So if you guys are into Rae Dunn, I would definitely check out your stores and see if they have any. And that's pretty much everything I bought this week, so just some random items since we haven't really seen much in makeup lately. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments if you guys picked up anything this week or what you're on the hunt for, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.